Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a courageous princess named Aria. The peace of her kingdom was disrupted when an evil sorcerer, engulfed in the thirst for power, plunged their kingdom into a deadly curse. With her heart full of bravery, Princess Aria embarked on a daring quest to take back her kingdom. She was not alone. At her side was her wisecracking yet faithful talking animal companion, Orion, a magical silver wolf with a sharp wit and a sharper bite. Together, they faced grueling trials and tribulations through treacherous forests and desolate plains, fighting malevolent creatures and solving riddles. Aria's strength of character combined with Orion's wit made for an adventurous duo, determined more than ever to outwit the cunning sorcerer. Will they have the power to overcome the sorcerer, reclaim their kingdom, and restore its lost glory? Stay tuned to watch the rest of their magical adventure and learn about their wondrous triumphs and the power of unwavering courage.